So today I want to talk about 4 game-changing tips to help keep your dance floor packed. And I'm not doing this video alone. YouTube, meet Jason Jani. Jason Jani.
What's up?
YouTube.
Tip 1 is all about the prep. I believe the success in any event comes in the time spent before you arrive on site in the world of preparation. Being prepared is a big deal, and it's a key to keeping your dance floors packed. What am I talking about? If you're doing a private event, make sure that you meet with the person that's hiring you so you clearly understand what their expectations are and what their vision is, what they're all about. It doesn't relate to just private events and weddings. If you're doing a nightlife spot, set yourself up for success. Talk to the person that's booking you. Ask them what their expectations are. Take the time to go and visit that spot so you clearly understand what works and what doesn't work in that scenario, in that situation, at that location, and create some crates before you arrive on site so that you are prepared in the event that you get mind fog or just brain freeze and you don't know where to go. Prep is the key to keeping your dance floors packed always, in events, private or nightlife.
Tip 2 is do not sleep on dinner. A lot of DJs sleep on dinner, and this is a way to really set yourself apart from your competition, because most DJs put it on autoplay, put it on cruise control, let it chill. They go in the back, they have a nice little drink, they eat their salads, they let their hair down. Don't do that. There's 2 huge advantages to mixing during dinner and programming dinner properly. The first is, it's like your opening set. You're warming up the crowd. You're getting them bopping, right? If you play dinner the right way, and I'm not talking about like playing bangers and like dropping crazy stuff, but like if you ride the wave during dinner the right way, you're going to have people juiced up. People are going to be just bopping at their seats while they're eating their salads, and then they'll drink a little more, and later on, they're going to be more ready to dance because you just got their vibe up. It's all about vibes with weddings. And then the second thing is you're also giving yourself valuable information about what's going to work later. You play a song and people are tapping their foot, kind of sing along, bopping at their seats, then you should know plenty of other songs in that realm that's going to work later for dancing, and vice versa. You play a song, you don't really get a good reaction, then it's probably a good idea you don't go down that road later.
Tip number 3 is about when you're mixing, don't marinate and stay in the same place for too long. Taking a right turn or a left turn helps you break through plateaus if you feel like the party just can't go anywhere else, right? So don't be afraid to go from EDM to hip hop to rock to country, and any mix of variations of genres, beats per minute, and just vibes. Change direction. It'll help you break through plateaus and make your parties incredible. Take a chance, take a right turn, take a left turn, take your crowd on a journey.
Tip number 4 is don't be scared to dig outside the box when it comes to what music you play. See, across the world, most DJs kind of play the same hits. Uptown Funk, Yeah by Usher, Turn Down for What. These are all the same kind of hits that everyone plays, and yes, they work. Yes, play it safe, right? I get all that. But a lot of these artists have other hits that no one plays, that everyone else would know, that can be just as effective, if not more. And I think it pays dividends, because when you play outside hits that nobody else plays, that could be like, oh, wow. You can get the type of like, I haven't heard that song in a while reaction from the crowd, and can really get people to move from the bar to the dance floor. I've seen this happen. I'll give you some examples, right? Every DJ on earth plays I Want to Dance with Somebody by Whitney Houston. But what about How Will I Know? Banger. It was a hit. Everybody knows it from the same era. Try it out, okay? Every DJ on earth plays Blink 182, All the Small Things, and Sugar We're Going Down by Fall Out Boy. Why don't you go outside of that in the same genre and find other hits like Simple Plan, I'm Just a Kid. Everybody on earth knows that song that grew up in that era, that Warped Tour era. But there's certain songs from that era that were hits that people forget about. Just dig deeper when it comes to music, and I'm telling you, you'll set yourself apart from your competition, but also the main thing is when you play a song that someone hasn't heard in forever, you bring back that nostalgia, and they're going to move their ass from the bar or from the toilet and go right to the dance floor.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4 tips to help you take your parties to a complete another level in 2025. What do you think, Nick?
Listen, if you got anything to add, put it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you guys, but I hope this definitely helps you. And coming in live here from SCHQ, definitely check out Jason's channel, by the way. I'll link in the description. His shit rips. Tons of great tips. But I'll see you guys in the next one.